Hey, welcome to Odd Jobs. We're going to talk about some cheap LED lighting today. Stay with me. Doing a little renovation here for one of our customers. And we took down a whole bunch of crappy lights, and so they're anxious to move in, but they haven't really decided on what kind of lighting to put in the decor. So what we do in situations like that is we grab these 2-packs of the commercial lighting. I picked these up at Home Depot. You get 2 lights for about 60 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. LEDs. And the great thing about these is that because they're not expensive, you can take them down, you can put them in the basement when you're done after you've selected all the lighting. So we're going to be installing these. Okay, let's open this up, see what we got. Two lights. Instructions. Don't need that. Okay, so we have, like every other light, ground wire, a lead, a common, and in here, two screws and 3 morettes. Wonder how that's going to work. So this little turn, did you see that? Little turn and the lid pops off. Now, this bracket here, this is what's going to get connected to the box on the ceiling. And the fixture is actually screwed to it here in these 2 locations. Right? We're going to take those off. Because this bracket, we're going to be putting it this way into the ceiling. All right, so let's get up there. We're going to use these 2 long screws and put those up. With the power off, I gotta tell you to check the power. There's something wrong. So this, you don't have to crank it down. I mean, really, the thing weighs about, I don't know, pound and a half. There's not much weight on it. So we're going to take this copper wire. I tie the wire to the bracket, and I wrap it around the screw this way, right? And then I just snug up the screw. Just like that. And that's going to hold it in. And it's going to ground itself to the box. Now I can make my other connections. We're going to connect the white here first. And connect the black. Now, when you're at that point, now's a good time to check to make sure that it's actually going to work. And it does. Nice. After that, push these up into the box. And then we just put these back in. Don't over torque these, the plastic's going to crack. Okay, I'm going to test the light again. Sometimes when you move it around there, it's a bad connection. Very nice. Very nice. So this got three tons, and then there's 3 grooves. There's one here, one there, and one there. Look at that. Find the right slot and slide it in. So what these things are perfect when you're doing just a light renovation and nothing major. Like here, our customers don't know what they're going to do with lighting yet, but they do want to get moved in. So let's put some lights up and get them moved in. Better than a light bulb in the ceiling. And this in a bedroom, it's nice. Nice, very nice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.